In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp accounts and chats to a new device. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to download WhatsApp on your new device and open the app once it's installed on your device. And here, select the language that you want to use for the application and click on the next button. Now go ahead and click on agree and continue. Now in here, there would be a QR code that you'll need to scan using your former device where your WhatsApp account is signed in. So on your former device, go ahead and click on the menu button and click on link devices. Click on link a device and scan this QR code on that device. Now you're signed in to your WhatsApp account on your new device. Your messages are retrieved on this device along with your contacts. And that's how you can simply transfer WhatsApp account and chats to a new device. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.